she goes, you got to keep me interested in you to get there. This is shit test 101. She's cute, right?
Yeah, very.
Yeah, very. She's cute. She knows she's cute and she knows how to test guys. We totally destroyed her shit test because we don't even pass tests, bro. We rip them up and we like laugh at them. I'm a king. Yeah, you did that. You did that text that I read.
Yeah.
That was a great fucking text, honestly. Because that was exactly what I... Did you see what it was talking about before and then you were like, let me text this shit? Or was it like... Yeah?
Because I seen a bunch of your videos before and stuff. And I was like, all right. And she texted it. She said it. And I was like, wait a minute. Let me do it like this. So I put like exactly how you said it. It was like fucking perfect.
Yes! It works, bro. I always tell people it works. Today I got so many DMs. I used your stuff. I got the date. I just uploaded a video of a guy I did a session with, and the girl ghosted him. She ghosted him like twice. We talked about what to do. He did it. And now they're gonna go on the date. The stuff you did is dope. I'm gonna read it real quick. How about you invite me over and I can see for myself? I don't know what was above. I don't see what's above.
Because she's like an artist. She had some like new painting that she had made. And I was like, that shit is cool. Because I like kind of like painting. But I was like, fuck, I want to see it. She was like, I'm gonna show you. And I was like, invite me over so I can see it.
How about you invite me over and I can see for myself about the paintings, right?
Yeah.
I love text. I love that text. How about you invite me over? Bro, you're a G. And I can see it for myself. So you basically switch the script, right? Well,
Yeah.
people say you switch the script because people think that girls are the ones to be chased for, but we can flip it around the way we want it because we work the same way, right? Because girls want us too, the same as we want them. So I love that. Then she says, she trying to test you, bro. She trying to test you, and you knew it. She's like, you got to take me out first, okay? And you say, let's go then. Since everything's closed, we can get some takeout and have a picnic. I love that you said that because you're not taking her to a fancy restaurant. You're just taking some cheap takeout, whatever. So you don't invest that much. So she's like, okay, because this is something you kind of inviting her, even you turn it out around the other way. So you always want to be like, yeah, I'll get us some takeout. You know what I mean? But eventually she will pay for you too. She says, interesting offer with her eye emojis. That's great. And now you are killing it. We'll see how interesting it gets. Winky face. But now you don't use an emoji because emoji is a little bit feminine. Oh, that's what people think. It's what society says, which is bullshit. But it's perceived like that. So you're working with your hands, you're working with your game. When you say we'll see how interesting it gets, it's testing her. It's like, it's flirting with her. It can mean so many things, but it can mean so many good things, And because she already knows you in person, she probably knows it's like flirty. And it's like, are you going to be interesting? Are you going to be interesting enough for me? Do you understand? Yeah. I don't know how did you mean it, but it can mean both things. So did you mean it flirty, or did you mean it both, or did you think about it?
It was mostly just to be like flirty, just to keep like the flirty energy going.
Oh my G. I want to use you as an example of someone who gets it. Once I have seminars, I want you to come out and be like, yo, this is how you text, bro. Then she goes, you got to keep me interested in you to get there. Complete crazy shit test. This is shit test 101. This girl knows it. Like, how old is she?
She's 19.
Yeah, she knows it. She's born with it. She has it in her blood. She's cute, right?
Yeah, very.
Yeah, very. She's cute. She knows she's cute, and she knows how to test guys. This is the kind of girl. When I talked to Abram before, it was a sweet girl. It was a girl where you could have made a longer text and like get to know her and blah, blah, blah. But with this girl, you can't just like give a long text and talk about whatever, You're doing it right. She says, you got to keep me interested in you to get there. And you say, haha, I'm going to take you out. You should keep me interested. You're allowed to call yourself king from now on, just to let you know. This is the shit that I write. This is literally what I write. It's like copy pasted. This is amazing. You said, haha, I'm going to take you. You said even haha. I love that. Haha, you laughing at that shit. I'm going to take you out. Yes, yes, you can say that. I'm going to take you out. You should keep me interested. Bro, you totally destroyed her shit test. You know that. With texting. With texting. And it's not like, bro, she was attracted to you before you guys started texting. And that's, you remember what I always say? We don't attract girls in texting. Texting is only a tool to get her on a date, right? But sometimes to get on that date, when you have those flirty, quick convos, you have to fuck up those shit tests. You have to, I don't want to say pass those tests because we don't even pass tests, bro. We rip them up and we like laugh at them. You laugh at those tests. You have to laugh at those tests to give her the last resistance off where she's like, yeah, this is a confident guy. And she might even just do it for fun, you know? But if you answer something needy or something weird, she's gonna be like, no, you know? But you did, like, that's crazy. And she says that won't be a problem. So you basically tested her, and well, she's playing well with her test too, and she gave you a witty face. It's like a
it's like the smirky face, like
smirky. That's right.
Yeah,
that's the word I was looking for. She has a smirky smiley. So I love that. And then see, that's what I want to explain. You kept it flirty. You kept it short. You know, you kept it short. You didn't make like a whole Bible verse about how much you want her or something like that.
Yeah.
You played with her like football. You played with her like a game. This is good. This is great. And the timing, your first text was 11:35. She answered 2 hours later, almost exactly at 1:35. Could be calculated. Then you go an hour later, which I respect. An hour is good. She comes back at you 45 minutes later. I love how you don't give a fuck. Like she comes 45 minutes later, you just come half an hour later because you know what's like you just go, and she comes 20 minutes later. You almost pull her into your timeline. You almost pull her closer. Do you understand? You pulled her closer to give her shorter texts. I never said that before. I never intellectualized that before. But that's what's happening if you do the right answers. Because if you're not, the girl might be like, and takes like 3 hours and whatever, and then you have to take 3 hours too. You got her short to your timeline. Literally, she started answering quicker in the end. Now she goes, you asked her, now I have to know what you asked her because she answers this weekend. What did you say?
Oh, okay, cool. When can we do it?
You said, okay, cool. When can we do it?
Yeah.
This is the first time I'm giving you a tip.
Okay.
Now, the reason she's already attracted because she saw you in person, right? We make girls attracted in person, so texting is only a means to meet up. But you said, when can we do it? So you almost say like, I'm available for you anytime you're available.
Okay.
Don't say that shit.
Yeah.
For next, look, people always think when I make one mistake, I mess up. It's not true. Not ever true. Not ever true. Because here's the thing. Only a happy journey has a happy ending, right?
Mm-hmm.
The way you met her, she was already attracted to you. The way you started texting her, she was already attracted to you. You did like 99%, like everything amazing. Her seeing that, she's like, whatever. It doesn't matter. But someone who's on the verge, it might be like, oh, he's playing my game now. He's playing my time,
Okay. Yeah.
So I'll give you a tip, okay? Next time what you say, what days are you free?
Okay.
Because then it's like she's going to tell you what days she's free or what times are you free, whatever you want to say. And then you say, okay, I can't do that day, but I'm free. I can't do that day because I'm on an audition or whatever, something. Yeah. You could even add something high value that you like follow your dream or whatever, but you don't have to do that if you already attracted her. Or you just say, she says, I'm free Thursday, Friday, Sunday, right? And you're like, okay, I'm free Sunday at 7. And she's cool, And then you say, where we're going to meet up. And then she says, okay, great. And you don't even have to answer on that anymore because you don't want to do too much, but you did great. And then she says, this weekend is kind of a lot because I'm still trying to figure stuff out with my dorm in Cali and online finals. So next week would be better. This is great because here's the thing. I have some guys, they text a girl and be like, hey, do you have time Saturday, whatever? And she just be like, no, I on a birthday party with my friends, right? She's done there. That doesn't sound good because she's not like, oh, I'm on a birthday party with my friends, but I'm free next weekend. But your girl, whatever her name is, let's call her Mrs. Badass, she tells you next week would be better, and she gave you a smiley face. She gave you a smiley face. That's a great sign. You know that's a great sign, right?
Yeah.
Do you understand why? Because she didn't say, I'm trying to figure out stuff out with my dorm and nothing else.
Mm-hmm.
She said, I'm trying to figure that stuff out, which I totally believe her, but I have time for you next week. You say, okay, cool. Tuesday or Thursday next week work the best for me. What days can you do? So you did it. You did exactly what I said. This is amazing. This is textbook, right? You could have done that earlier before you asked her the first question. When can we do it? You know, when can we do it? How do you think that sounds like?
To me, it seems like it could be like almost like needy.
You're making yourself too available. You understand?
Yeah.
And you're making it seem as you're making her your priority.
Mm.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Because I want you to have a life. I want you to follow your dream. Girls are next. They're like side of your dream. They're not. They can become, a girl can become, I don't want to even say part of your dream. Eventually, maybe someone like really, really special can go the journey with you. But for now, it's you follow your dream, and whoever wants to come with you in your reality, that's cool. You're the man, right? So that means that you are in your power, and she feels that. And girls want to feel that. They want someone who is on their purpose. I'm going to talk to you in a second about your purpose, but for now, that's what makes girls attracted.
Okay.
You don't want her to be your sole purpose.
Yeah.
You want to have your dream, and then whenever you have some free time, that's when you can hang out with her, right? So the second text that you did was amazing, and that's actually what I just want you to do with your first text, because that's like saying, I have a busy life. This is when I'm free.
Okay.
Can you work it out? You know, any day after Tuesday, smiley. I love that. That's a great answer. This is basically perfect, like, responses, right? Because it's basically perfect scheduling the date. That's what I wanted to say. This is perfect scheduling the date. It's easy. You don't even, and by now, you don't have to say something interesting. You know that, right?
Yeah, because it's just like it's already like in place.
It's already in place. Jackson, you're a G. It's already in place, man. It's already in place. It's already in place. She is already attracted to you. Now you just got to handle the logistics. Like, what are you most excited to do, right? But with the date, I just want to let you know, you also want to be like, of course, she wants to like it too. I mean, you can't take her to a beef restaurant. She's vegan, you know?
Yeah.
But that's like clear stuff. But still, do something that you are excited about and that she's excited about. But don't do something where you're like, maybe she wants to take you to Victoria's Secret shopping and you're like, wait a second. No, go with your girls. And then when you're down to go with me to the Lakers game, then we can go. You don't want to invest that much first in a person that you don't know yet. If you invest that much first, she's like, oh, he tried to buy me. You understand? That's putting someone on a pedestal. Don't try to buy anyone. That's manipulative too. That's what nice guys do, and that's why nice guys lose all the time. Girls are like, I want a nice guy. They don't want a nice guy. They don't want someone to put him on a pedestal. A nice guy can be a man in his power who's like, yo, respects himself, and then you can still be nice, you know?
Yeah.
But you don't have to open her car door to make her feel interested. Bro, she has a hand. She could open the car door. Now, if her hands hurt, right? You open the fucking car door. Let's say the bag from Trader Joe's weighs freaking 40 kilograms. You take that fucking bag. But I know you're going to do that. Bro, you're going to be so good with girls. Like, I'm telling you, you're going to have an abundance of girls. You're doing so great. And I know you're going to do that in person too. You know? Last text that you sent me, that you sent to her is, okay, let's go on Thursday then. We can go get something to eat and chill at UH since my dorm is still. Bro, you're really good at this because you want to have sex with her, right?
Yeah, at the end of the day. I mean, I would ask.
So this situation is easier because she already goes to your college. She's probably been to the dorms. She knows you personally. She knows the college. You guys could grab food and go to the dorms and have sex, and that's it. And you just literally game planned this shit out. This is a map. This is a map for guys to understand. I mean, if you want to have sex with a girl, and I understand why, first of all, she's cute, but you already know her. Like, for example, with me, if I approach a girl in public, right?
Yeah.
Of course, I screen her at first because I talk to her and see, and then I'm like, oh, she's cool. But that doesn't make me be like, oh, I want to have sex with her already. Because, yes, she can be hot. But then when we go on the date and she's like weird, then no, I'm not going to have sex with you. But if I find out you're really cool and we vibing and it's a vibe.
Yeah.
Yes, the tension, the sexual tension, everything together. Yes, we're going to have sex. Now, you already know that girl. You have interactions in person, and it completely makes sense. And it's what you want, so you go for it. And believe me, she knows.
Hey.
It's just, this is easy, and you make it seem easy. I am literally proud of you. I am proud of you.
I'm a king.